Hi guys, I am April Jackson, beautifully and wonderfully made, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do a doormat. As you can see, I messed up on mine. I've said before, I make mistakes. I'm not perfect, so this video is to basically show you how to be able to do it on your own and not make the same mistakes that I made. So let's jump right into it. These are the things that you will need in order to be able to make the doormat. You're going to need a 24-inch light grip mat, a weeding tool, freezer paper, and the Flexseal spray paint, and also of course the mat. I got the mat and the spray paint both from my local Home Depot, and you can get yours from there as well. Sorry about the image being backwards. I had to use my camera to face my laptop, so that way I could be able to show you all how I found show you all how I did the image. Sorry about the stuttering. I stutter a lot, y'all. But it took me a while to find the two fonts that I wanted for the mat. But basically all you're gonna do is go into Cricut Design Space, find your two fonts that you want, and just type out whatever you want your mat to say. Mine says the Jackson family. And so Jackson is a different font from the and family. I'm trying to think. I don't want to forget anything. Yeah, so you will see, because this clip is about to jump because I tried to do this video quick so you won't be here forever. But you will see the lines on the side of the and family. With the lines on the side where it says shapes, you'll go into shapes, click on the square, and you're gonna unlock the square and shrink the square to look like a line. So you'll see that in just a moment. All right, so you see the lines that I'm talking about? So you're gonna turn your image sideways because remember you have a 24-inch mat, so you have to turn the image sideways so that what you don't want you can do like maybe 23 inches. You just use your measure, a tape measure to measure. But make sure you change on the side, make sure you change the mat size to a 12 by 24 inch, and you also gonna want to mirror your image. Please do not forget to mirror. So I just want y'all to know, y'all, I redid this like 6 times trying to cut this paper because when I first did it, the first couple times that I did it, I had my settings set on paper. Do not set it on paper, it's gonna look like this. So all right, so this is how it turned out. As you can see, the inside is like the inside of the O's and the A's. I left them on the mat when I peeled it off so that way I can just go back and put each individual thing in, like put the O back in, the little part for the A, and different areas right there. So I use my iron. A lot of people have a Cricut Easypress. I don't have one. I have a regular heat press. So I use my iron, and I held down the iron for like 20 seconds for each one. So you just go back in for each letter and put in like the O and the A's and just hold it down for like 15 to 20 seconds in each spot until it lays down flat. And this is how it turns out. I took my mat outside, shook my Flexseal up really, really well, and I sprayed the words with the image. What I do realize that I did wrong, you see how close I am to the edge of the paper? And you see how the little sprinkle, you see how the black is getting on the mat? I did that wrong. So that's why you can see the black around the name, the Jackson family. Yeah. So make sure you don't get too close to it while you spraying, and be careful not to spray, like let the spray get on the mat. And I could have made the image itself a little bit longer, but I didn't. So now I'm just going in. I have some like tweezers things. It looked like, yeah, you see, it looked like some little tweezers. So I'm going in and I'm picking out those. Remember we had to put in the A's and the O's? I'm going in and I'm picking out all those little spaces. After I took the paper off, this is how it looked. So I showed you the mistakes that I made. As I've said before, I'm not perfect. I make mistakes. I just wanted to show you all how to do the mat, although I still messed up. I still put my mat in front of my door. Yes, I did. But if you have any questions, seriously, please feel free to ask questions, comment below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe as well. I have a Facebook group called Crafting with April free to join that group. You can post your crafts in that group. You can ask questions. Also, I am on TikTok, but my TikTok name is iamapriljackson. Again, thank you for watching my video. I love you. Have an awesome, blessed day.